no! The hotel has no room for us!
Dad, did you use the wrong English words again? Wow, it is very big! Yes, it is beautiful.
Hello! Welcome to the Star Hotel.
Hello. Good morning. I want a house, please.
A house? Sir, this is a hotel.
Dad, we need a room, not a house. Dad is silly.
I am sorry. I do not have your name.
What? No name?
Wait, we have a reservation.
Can you spell your name, please?
Yes, Leo.
Our family name is Green. Green.
Thank you, Mrs. Green.
I am very sorry. There is no green.
Are we going home?
Can I see your passports, please?
Oh no! I lost the passports!
Leo! What did you do? Is it under the bag? I don't see them. Let me look closer. It's not here either. Stop! I have the passports.
Whew. Thank you, Maya.
Here are our passports.
Thank you. Let me check.
Excuse me, I am in a hurry. Hey, we are first!
Give me the last room.
Yes, sir. Wait.
Excuse me. We are in line.
What did you say, boy?
My son is right. Please wait your turn.
Thank you for waiting. But, Mr. Green, yes?
There is no booking for Green. This is impossible!
Dad, let me see your email.
Sam is very smart.
Wow, you're a natural.
Oh dear, the computer is broken!
Oh no! What do we do now?
We must wait 5 minutes.
Dad, look. Say booking reference.
Booking reference?
That's it, booking reference.
Booking reference.
Say bed, Daddy.
Bed. I know bed.
The lights are back!
Excellent. Let us try again.
Look, here's the booking reference number.
Ah, let me see.
This booking is for next month!
Leo, you booked June, not May.
I am sorry. I made a mistake.
Where will we sleep?
Don't worry, Lily. We will fix it.
Please, Mr. Bell, do you have any empty rooms?
Let me check. We are very full today.
Anything is okay. Just one room.
I'm sorry, there's nothing.
Please, anything at all.
Wait, I have one room, but... We will take it! It's the smallest room. Perfect! We'll take it! All right, it's yours.
Mr. Bell, what is the problem here?
They have the wrong date, ma'am.
I see.
Excuse me, ma'am. We traveled a long way. We are very tired. My bear is tired too.
Oh, you are good children. Let me see what I can do.
I have room 101. It is very small,
That is fine!
but you must pay for it tonight. How much is it? It is $200.
We can pay with a credit card. Here is my card.
Please enter your PIN. Approved. Please sign here.
Okay, done.
Here's your key card. Room 101.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me, is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is at 7 a.m.
But be careful. Room 101 is different.
Different?
Different? What does he mean?
It is just a small room, Leo. Let's go.
I will push the button.
I want to push it.
But I already did.
Next time it's mine.
Wow, this elevator is very small. Don't step on my foot.
It is dark here. Hold my hand, Lily.
Room 105, room 103. Where is 101?
Keep walking.
This is room 101? It looks like a mouse house.
Cool.
Okay, let us open the door.
I hope there is a bed.
Come on, work!
Wow, look inside. It is not small. It is beautiful. It is sweet.
Mr. Bell gave us the best room.
Yes, he gave us great room.
This bed is so soft.
I love this hotel.
Look at the view of the city.
It is perfect. Mom, there is a noise in the bathroom. What noise, honey? Like a scratching sound. Okay, let me check.
Stand back, everyone. I will check.
Be careful, Dad.
Aha! I got you!
Dad, it is just a cleaning robot.
Oh, I knew that.
You are very brave, Leo.
Silly daddy.
Put your shirts in the closet, please. Yes, Mom, I will. Don't worry.
Who is at the door?
Did we order food?
Hello. Hello. A gift from the manager. For the mistake. Oh, thank you so much.
Wow, thank you so much. Have a wonderful stay.
Dad, next time remember to say booking.
I know. I have a booking.
See, was that so hard?
All right, you win this round.
And check the date on the email.
Yes, dear. I will check the date.
Cheers to a great holiday!
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe and follow Learn English Method.